Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Airtel SIM is active and mobile data is on. Make sure battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Next, open Settings and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Locate Hotspot and Tethering immediately. Tap Mobile Hotspot to access the current network name and password field. Once there, you'll see editable fields. Don't change anything else yet. This step gets you into the exact screen where we will replace. Now you perform the actual password change. Tap the password field, clear the old text, and type a strong new password of at least 8 characters. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and avoid names or birthdays so it's not guessable. Toggle Show Password briefly to confirm there are no typos, then press Save or Apply. Once done, the hotspot restarts or refreshes. Connected devices will be dropped and must reconnect with the new credentials. Finish by reconnecting a single device using the new password to verify access. This confirms everything is updated. If connection fails, restart the hotspot or your phone, then re-enter the password exactly as saved. Case matters. Make sure mobile data is enabled and no AP isolation is blocking devices. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. That clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so backup passwords first. Save your new hotspot credentials in a secure password manager for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.